Alright everyone, and we are back in now for another video for you guys and gals, and yet again we're doing another case review. Alright, and real quickly, all I wanted to do in between these videos is just switch out devices and switch out, microphones. So we are using external audio now. I do have one of my shotgun style mics connected, and we are using the rear facing cameras on the regular S7. So this is the rear facing 12 megapixel camera on the Samsung Galaxy S7, not the S7 Active. So y'all let me know what you think of the overall video quality as well as what you think of the overall audio quality. Now, some of y'all may be wondering, why'd you switch out from the V60? Well, on darker scenes, the V60's color science leans a little bit too dark for me, and it's pretty much been thunderstorming all week, and I don't really want to have to tinker around with pro mode. I'm more the type of person that likes to pick up the camera, put it in the tripod, set up the mic, and push record. With the V60, if the color leans a little bit too dark, you do have to adjust it with the pro mode. I'm not really one for messing with pro mode too much. So, bad color science means time to switch out devices. It just is what it is. Now, sorry about that, went off on a tangent. Let's get into today's video. So today, we're doing my full review of the PUSHIMEI case for the Moto G Power. Okay, now the other day I did my full review of the Teayoha case for the Moto G Power, so about a day later we're gonna do the full review for the PUSHIMEI case. Alright, so jumping right in, the first thing I want to talk about is the overall build quality and design of the case. Now, build quality wise, I have to say PUSHIMEI has done a great job, so much so I went out and got a similar case for my LG V60. I like these cases, especially with the built-in kickstand. The overall build quality and design on this case is top-notch, and it does some really great things aside from having a really good build quality. It adds some much-needed grip to an otherwise slippery device, and it also throws in a built-in kickstand, okay? So you can easily use it to watch movies, take conference calls, or what have you, without having to hold your device. So really good build quality in my opinion, and really good overall design as well. Great job, PUSHIMEI. Great job indeed. Now, moving on, let's go ahead and talk about the overall fit and feel of the case on the device. So let's go ahead and take the Teayoha case off. Alright, and I'm just going to show y'all on camera how easy it is to put on and take off. So put the Teayoha case off to the side, and let's drop the PUSHIMEI in. So you just drop it in, and it clicks into place, and just like that, we're ready to go. So in terms of the overall fit and feel, I have to say in terms of the fit, we have all the necessary cutouts, as you can see there. So cutouts for our speaker, cutouts for our charging port, 3.5mm headphone jack, really good stuff there. Cutouts for our microphone. We got a nice raised lip for our cameras, cutout for our fingerprint sensor. Everything is where it needs to be, and everything works pretty much perfectly. So in terms of the overall fit and feel, I have to say PUSHIMEI, yet again, you guys have done a great job. Great job indeed. And these side rivulets add some much needed grip to an otherwise slippery device. I like that. I like that a lot. Now, moving on, let's talk about the overall protection that this case provides. And in my opinion, it provides some of the best protection for this device. So you can see our power buttons and our volume rockers are fully protected and still maintain their clickiness and haptic feedback. So let me hold this up to the mic. Listen to this. Okay, so I don't know how well y'all heard that, but it's still extremely clicky and works as if I don't have a case on the device. So that's really good, and y'all can see it is fully protected. Okay, so fully protected power button and volume rockers. Again, we have a fully indented and cutout for the fingerprint scanner. So it has a nice raised lip there. I don't have to worry about if I put the device face down, the fingerprint scanner getting scratched up. Don't have to worry about that. Same thing for the camera lenses. Nice indented cutout for the camera lenses. So if I put the device face down, it's definitely not going to scratch up my camera lenses. So really nice protection there. And then if we flip to the front, we do have a nice raised lip. So if I put the device face down, it's not going to scratch up my display. Alright, so really good stuff there with that nice raised lip. And then another plus of this is that it is extremely screen protector friendly. So y'all can see I do have a screen protector on the device. And it is extremely screen protector friendly. Look at that. No issues with it pushing the screen protector up. No issues with the screen protector lifting whatsoever. So in my opinion, when we talk about the protection, this is a really good case and you have maximum protection on your device, okay? Whether it be for the front, the sides, the back, the buttons, you are fully protected with this case. Really good stuff in my opinion. So overall protection on this is top notch. Alright? Now, let's go ahead and briefly summarize the positives and negatives of the case. Then we're going to wrap everything up. We're going to talk about the overall pricing and availability. And I'm going to give y'all my overall final thoughts and a recommendation or two. Let me mute this, man. Making a bunch of noise today. Let me mute this up. Alright, and put that on Do Not Disturb. My bad, everybody. No more distractions, I promise. No more distractions. And let me mute this over here as well. Stuff is just going off like crazy. I should have muted all of this before I started the video. My bad. Now, moving on and summarizing the positives and the negatives of this case. Really, y'all, in my opinion, there are no negatives with this case, okay? So let's summarize the positives real quickly, and then we're going to jump into the last part of the video. So talking about the positives, the overall build quality and design of the case is top-notch. The overall fit and feel of the case is top-notch. And the overall protection that the case provides is top-notch, okay? And you're getting all of this at a really, really great price. When I tell y'all the price, y'all might even want to go out and grab 2, maybe 3 of them, maybe in a couple different colors. That's how good the price is. I actually feel bad because I think I should have picked up more, but it is what it is. Okay, so you're getting all of those great positives at a really great price. And as I always do, I'll have the full list of positives thrown up in posts for y'all to check out. Now, as I always say, I am not perfect and I don't claim to be. So if there's a positive and or a negative that I forgot to mention, please feel free to leave that feedback down below in the comments. But please remember to do so respectfully. So if you're going to comment, please do so respectfully. Okay? So that pretty much does it for the positives. And as I said, there are no real negatives of this case, in my opinion. So let's keep it moving now and let's jump into the final part of the video here. So for this last part of the video, let's talk pricing and final thoughts. So this was yet again another Amazon pickup, okay? And I picked this up for a really great price. This bad boy ran me about $6.88, if I remember correctly. Now, as I always do, I have the screenshot of exactly what I paid thrown up in post because we're all about keeping it straight 100 around here. And remember, all the links to where y'all can pick this up as well will be available down below in the video description. Okay? So, that being said, for that $6.88 price tag, can I recommend that y'all pick this up? Y'all already know what I'm going to say. Yes. Yes. This is a really good, inexpensive way to provide full protection for your device. Because let's face it, y'all, this device runs in price anywhere from about $180 to at most $250. And if you're going to spend that type of money, you definitely want to make sure that you protect your investment, especially if this is a device that you're planning on keeping for an extended period of time. You definitely want to maximize the protection and the potential resale value by picking up a case. And one of the best ways to do that is to pick up a full protective case while also managing not to pay too much money. So once again, can I recommend that you guys and gals go out there and pick this up? I would have to say yes. Okay? Alright, so that pretty much does it for this video. As always, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video and or you found it helpful, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. And y'all let me know what y'all think of this case. Do y'all have a similar case for your Moto G Power? Let me know. Let's get into a nice, respectful conversation down below in the comments. I'll meet you guys and gals down there. I hope everyone is staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in my next video. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace.